This is a fully working air horn made entirely from 3D printing. My design has an adjustable pitch, so you can fine-tune it to the pitch that you want. To adjust the pitch, I designed some of the parts to have thread. This way, by turning the thread, you are making fine adjustments. I have done some tests, and I have found out that the plastic used in junk foods, like the one you saw in the video, is the most effective way to handle the constant vibration inside the air horn. Cut the plastic to its rough dimensions. Cut it slightly bigger for easier install. We are going to use contact cement to stick the plastic to the 3D printed part. Contact cement is the preferred adhesive for this because it's strong and it will not react to the plastic. Apply the contact cement as shown. Remember, the middle part has to vibrate, so make sure you only apply to the outside part. This is very important because this part of the air horn is what makes the sound. So using the plastic used in junk foods is very effective because it is very durable and flexible. Now apply contact cement to the 3D printed part. Contact cement needs to be applied to both sides to make it bond. Remember, only apply to the outside part because the middle has to vibrate to make the sound. Once the contact cement dries, it's time to stick them. Stick them together as shown. Then press the outside part firmly as shown to make sure they are properly bonded and no air will escape. This has to be airtight. After trimming the excess with a utility knife, it's time to assemble it. This is the part that will adjust the pitch. The closer it is to the plastic, the higher the pitch and vice versa. The small hole is where the air will go in, so the orange part can be replaced and redesigned to accommodate any size of air hose that you want. The big orange nut is the lock. Tighten it to lock to the pitch that you want. That's it. It's done. Time to test it. As you can see, by turning the middle part, you can easily adjust the pitch. With practice, maybe you can play a song with this. I did use a compressor to blow air and it does work. But don't blow the air abruptly. Slowly open your valve as not to tear the plastic. The amount of pressure it will take will depend on the strength of the plastic and the adhesive, because those two are the only weak points. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.